Hey guys, my name is Taran and I am back with a new video of Clash Royale. And in today's video, I would be opening the lightning chest. But here in my quest, this is my little account. Actually, this is my brother's. So, no more talking and we will just get into open this chest. Okay, let's head into this. Okay, we got 510 gold, 82 Teslas, 16 Musketeers. Okay, 2 poisons and a legendary. Here's a legendary. Legendary. What? Just a legendary. It's the Inferno Dragon. It's Inferno. Inferno Dragon. No, it's the Inferno Dragon. Okay, we will skip. Okay, we will not have the Tesla there. Okay, we got minions. Okay, more strikes. We will strike this off. Okay, now again we will strike this off. Okay, we will take the mini mecha. Okay, now okay to go and we just got a legendary out of the lightning chest. Okay, that was just epic. There, we will just use this in place of the prince. Okay, that's it for today, and we will show you in my next video. Okay, for today, this was only this for today. Okay, just bye bye.